guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best foundation brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Real Techniques Glow Round Base Brush. The Real Techniques Base Brush features a dense oval head that allows you to effortlessly blend and buff makeup into hard-to-reach areas, like around your nose and under your eyes. Its design helps you achieve medium to full coverage, making it easy to define your cheekbones and forehead. The pointed edge is perfect for applying liquid or cream blush, while the slanted bristles ensure even color distribution. With custom-cut brush heads, this brush maximizes product pickup and application, making it a great tool for both beginners and professionals seeking flawless results. At number 4, we have the EcoTools Wonder Cover Complexion Makeup Brush. The EcoTools Wonder Cover Complexion Foundation Makeup Brush is a must-have for anyone seeking flawless makeup application. With 100,000 bristles and an oval head, it provides full coverage in less time while camouflaging common skin issues like rosacea, hyperpigmentation, and blemishes. The super soft Taklon bristles are perfect for sensitive skin, and the brush can be used wet or dry for different looks. The eco-friendly design includes lightweight bamboo handles, synthetic Taklon bristles, and sleek ferrules made with recycled aluminum. EcoTools believes in reducing waste by using recycled materials in their products. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your purchase. At number 3, we have the Wet n Wild Kabuki Brush. Wet n Wild Brush is an all-purpose makeup brush that is expertly designed to work with any formula, from liquid to powder. Its flat top head and densely packed bristles ensure a smooth and flawless finish without a cakey look. The synthetic bristles are soft on the skin, making it perfect for the face. The brush's ergonomic handle makes it easy to use and fits perfectly in your hand. Wet n Wild cosmetics are 100% cruelty-free and not tested on animals, making this brush a great choice for those who are environmentally conscious. With over 400 shades to choose from, Wet n Wild brush is perfect for any skin color or type. At number 2, we have the EcoTools Classic Foundation Brush. The EcoTools Classic Foundation Brush features flat, dense bristles that provide a smooth and flawless base, perfect for liquid and cream foundations. The brush is designed to provide full coverage and streak-free application, and the soft bristles make for gentle makeup application. The brush is handcrafted with eco-friendly materials, with a sleek bamboo handle and synthetic Taklon bristles. It is cruelty-free and vegan, made with recycled materials, making it an environmentally conscious choice for your makeup routine. And finally, at number 1, we have the Laura Geller New York Full Coverage Foundation Brush. The Laura Geller Foundation Brush is designed to help you achieve a flawless, full coverage look by easily buffing and building your favorite foundations. Its ultra-soft vegan bristles feel gentle on your skin while resisting shedding, so you get a durable and comfortable brush. The dense bristles blend your foundation smoothly, ensuring a streak-free finish without any caking or creasing. This versatile brush works well with both baked and liquid foundations, giving you the flexibility to create your desired coverage with ease. It's a handy tool to have for a professional and polished makeup application. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!